Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, question number 9 of 2017 JEE Advanced Physics paper. So let us solve question number 9. Students, let us solve this question number 9. It says that an electron in a hydrogen atom undergoes a transition from an orbit with quantum number Ni to another with quantum number Nf. It undergoes a transition, and during this process Vi and Vf are respectively the initial and final potential energies of the electron. So whenever electron goes from any initial transition from one orbit to another orbit, say from here to here, it undergoes the transition. This I call an initial, this is an final. Here the potential energy is U I or Vi, whatever is given. This is UF, potential energy. And it is given that this ratio of these two initial and final transition potential energy ratio is given as 6.25. Then the smallest value or smallest possible value of Nf is smallest possible value of Nf is. We know that in case of a hydrogen or hydrogen-like atom, according to Bohr's theory, the energy of any electron in any given orbit, any nth orbit, the electron is having the total energy equals to minus 13.6 divided by n square. This is only for hydrogen atom. And the potential energy, the kinetic energy is equal to the total energy in magnitude. That means the kinetic energy is 13.6 divided by n square. Obviously this is in electron volt. And the potential energy is 2 times the total energy. So it is, if I multiply 2, then it is 27.2 minus divided by n square electron volt. So basically the relation is same, that the number may change, but because it is the question of ratios, so U and n square related like that, k and n square. So all these energies are whether it is E or it is k or it is U, it is related to the orbits as this, where n is the number of orbits, is like that, inversely proportional to n square. So if it is the case, then I can write that U is inversely proportional to n square. So Ui divided by Uf or Vi by Vf is equal to Nf square by Ni square, because this is inversely related to n square. So from here what is given is this Vi is 6.25, so that means this value is 6.25. So from here I can write, this is given as 6.25 So I can write as NF square is 6.25. So NF over NI equals to, I will take the square root of this, square root of 6.25. This is 625 divided by 100 root, which comes out to be, this is 25 is this is 25 into 25 divided by 10 into 10. This comes out to be 25 divided by 10. So n final over n initial is 25 divided by 10, which is 5 divided by 2. And if I see this expression that NF is of one, NI is 5 by 2, we are interested in the smallest value of smallest NF. Then this is a prime number. You cannot have this ratio, you cannot have a number of NF less than 5, because it will be either 5 or 10 or 15 or 20, some multiple of 5. So obviously this is this itself is the smallest number, and therefore the smallest value of NF should be 5, and that of NI and that of NI is 2. During this transition only, the ratio of the potential energy will be 6.25. So if I to have this, I should have the transition from this should be 5 and this should be 2. Initial is 2, the final is 5. So the transition is actually from 2 to 5. So this is only possible smallest values. Other values are also possible, but this is smallest value. So therefore the answer to this question is, what is the smallest possible value of NF is, and the answer is 5, because NF is coming out to be 5. So this is the answer to this question. Okay, thank you.